Laverton North Power Station is in the middle of its very first 20-year major overhaul, and that means taking apart basically the entire power plant and replacing anything that looks like it's been damaged so that we're ready to run for another 20 years.
We look at each block, each nuts, each bolts, anything out of spec, we'll replace them as we go. We have a lot of reserve parts.
We spend sort of 3 or 4 years planning this, so we've got 100 plus people, 3 or 4 cranes, 6 days a week, day and night shift, approximately 10 weeks to get all this work done.
It's like looking after your car and taking it for regular maintenance. The longer and longer you run a plant, the more likely it is that something will go wrong or break. And so it's really important that every once in a while we take the plant completely offline and look for problems before that can happen.
It's like giving the machine a new brain, new arms, new leg, so it can go another 20 years.
Gas-fired power stations like Laverton North are absolutely essential to powering our sustainable future. This station only runs a small fraction of the time, but it needs to be ready all the time, just in case there isn't solar or wind coming onto the grid. So it's really backup for renewables.
I get great pleasure in seeing this all come together. At the end of the day, the outcome is safe and the unit's back online.
I think we had a lucky few to be able to work for Snowy and to see this thing happening. A lot of the team at Laverton have been waiting for this for 15 years. I'm just really proud to be here. It's been privileged.